Hi, I'm Joey and I'm one of the ambassadors for docrafts. And today the project I'm going to be making is this love card, which is perfect for an anniversary or a wedding, lots of different occasions. So I've got the new Love Heart die. I'm going to just cut that. The other die that I'm going to be using today is the alphabet, the wedding alphabet, numbers and letters die. So when you use the card, just make sure you get the textured side down because it has got a nice linen texture. So I'm using the white capsule card and just run it through the Xcut. I usually bring it back and then just check that it is cut because this is quite an intricate lacy die. So just check that that's cut. Now there's a few little grey bits, so I'll just put it back through to be on the safe side. It's easier to put it back through than actually get it out and try and place it back in. So I don't think it needs this, but I will just do it to be on the safe side. So there, that's cut beautifully now. So to get this out, if you tap on the back, all those little bits fall out. I know it makes a mess, but it does. If you just kind of pull it, you can drag it and stretch the image, and then that's really difficult to get it back. So if you just tap it, that's the best way of getting that out. So what we're going to do now is stick this to a piece of vellum. So I've got a tacky glue here. I just need to put my glasses on for this bit. And just put your glue on here. That should be enough, I think. And then press that down. Now what I will do is leave that there to just let the glue dry. And then I'll be getting on with the main body of the card. So the main body of the card is a square card. And then I've already pre-cut my mat of pink to go over the top. You don't really need a measurement because you can make this what you want it to, so you can have a smaller mat or a larger mat, whatever you like. So now what we're going to do is round every corner. Warning, this is addictive. Once you start rounding corners, you round everything. Now if you want to do this top edge double, put it in and hold it up, and then you can get more pressure. So put it in, hold it up, and then you've got more pressure on there. And believe me, that is the easiest way of doing that. So now we're going to stick this mat onto the front of there. So you could have this card either way. So you could have it a 10-fold or just a portrait. So just get that nice and centered. Put that on there. So now this should be dry enough so that we can cut this out. So just cut this round this. And then we're going to stick this onto the front of the card, but we want some dimension. So we're going to use the tiny dots. So turn this over, and there's quite a few places that you can stick these dots. So just get your pokey tool and look where you've got a bit that's a bit thicker and put your dots over. This is where you really do need your pokey tool. So now take these backs off and then just put this centrally onto this. This is where you can decide which way you want this. So you could have it that way, but I think we're going to have it that way. So we'll put that centered on there. So I have actually pre-cut my alphabet in the gold glitter card, and I've used the Xcut alphabet number and die set, which is lovely. So I'm going to use now the 3-dimensional mini sticky dots from Stickits. And you do need the mini ones for this. That's right. So we've got that stuck down now. Just put it down gently don't push it down yet, and then you can decide where you actually want it to stick. So if you just put it on and don't press it, if you want to move it slightly, you've got the option of moving it before you actually press it into the card. Yeah, so I think that's about right. Yeah, so there we are, finished. Thank you for watching. I hope you get a chance to watch some of my other videos.